Welcome back to day 4 of our day in the life here at Fox Valley Bikes. After yesterday's unexpected mud bath at Warncliffe, thanks to a sudden turn in the weather, it was all hands on deck for some serious bike TLC.
Can you do that? What?
Those full suspension beauties came back absolutely coated, so today was dedicated to getting them sparkling clean and running smoothly again. First up, we tackled the worst of the mud with a thorough rinse, knocking off the thickest layers. Then, we applied Muc-Off's bike cleaner, letting it work its magic for a minute to break down the grime. Next, a good old-fashioned scrub of the frame and components followed, making sure to get into every little crevice. A second rinse revealed a spotless finish underneath all that mud. With the bikes gleaming, we moved on to drivetrain care. We degreased the cassette and chain to banish all leftover grime, ensuring every link was spotless. Once everything was dry, we re-lubed the chain for buttery smooth shifting. To keep the suspension performing at its best, we also applied suspension lube to the stanchions. Finally, a finishing touch of Bike Protect was applied for a longer lasting clean and that extra bit of shine. And there you have it. Those full suspension bikes are now looking fresh, trail ready, and eager for their next adventure. See you tomorrow for day 5 at Fox Valley Bikes.